Manifestation has been getting a lot of attention lately, with loads of folks looking for ways to make their dreams come true. There's no shortage of books and online courses promising to teach you how to manifest things quickly. But what exactly is an instant manifestation? And how does it work? Instant manifestation means being able to get what you want fast, sometimes right away. It's all about using the power of your mind along with the energy around you to turn your wishes into reality. By learning how this works, you can make manifesting the easiest, quickest thing ever. Get your thoughts, feelings, and actions in line with your goals and bring them into existence with ease. In this video, we're going deep into instant manifestation, breaking down its key points and the science that makes it possible. To get the hang of instant manifestation, let's dive into something called the zero-point field first. Think of it as a basic idea in quantum physics that talks about the lowest energy level a system can have. It's like an endless sea of potential and possibilities stretching across all space and time. In this zero-point field, there's something that ties everything and everyone together: a universal consciousness. This is where all things start. It's the very core of reality itself. Here, our thoughts, feelings, and what we aim for can shape the energy around us to bring our wishes to life. Now, onto another key piece: energy polarization within this field. It's basically how energy bits line up, which could go two ways: coherent or incoherent. When they're coherent, everything is smooth sailing and matches up with what we want. But if they're incoherent, that means trouble by causing blockages in making our desires come true. By getting these concepts, zero-point field, universal consciousness, and alignment through understanding how energies polarize, we unlock instant manifestation, powerfully enabling us to craft out realities just as desired. The quantum field is the foundation of everything, where all things are linked and our thoughts have an impact. It's a space filled with endless possibilities that we can't see or touch. In this quantum field, there's something like a shared mind connecting every living thing. This shared consciousness is what kicks off creation and helps bring our ideas to life. It reminds us that we're not alone but part of something bigger. By getting in sync with this universal mind through the quantum field, we can make things happen right away. This means changing how we see ourselves, not as separate entities, but as partners in shaping our world. Practicing meditation, picturing what we want, and setting clear intentions allow us to line up with the quantum field's energy. By doing so and realizing everything is connected under one collective consciousness, unlocking instant manifestation makes it possible for us to shape the lives we dream about. Manifestation might sound like something out of a fantasy book, but it has roots in science. It's all about understanding how our thoughts and feelings connect with the world's energy. At its heart, manifestation relies on quantum physics ideas. This branch of science shows us that everything around us is made up of energy. This includes what we think and feel. When we really concentrate on wanting something, our thoughts and emotions send out a specific kind of vibe that matches what we're hoping for. The only thing that can deter our manifestation is ourselves, by changing our minds on what we want to manifest. With this special vibe, we can interact with the energies around us to help make our wishes come true. By making sure our mind, feelings, and the universe's energy are all moving in the same direction as our goals, tapping into manifestation lets us shape the life we dream about. In the world of the zero-point field, everything is closely connected. Energy particles make up matter, and they shake at their own special speed. These shakes mix with the energy all around. With our thoughts and feelings in tune with what we want, they start vibrating in a way that matches up with these energy bits in the zero-point field. This match pulls similar vibes towards it, making a cycle that boosts how well we can bring our wants into reality. The zero-point field serves as a link between what's going on in our minds and turning those thoughts into real things. It's where what we aim for and the universe's energy come together, letting us shape how things turn out by focusing our energy just right. Getting to know how stuff works together in this space means we can get better at making what we wish for happen more smoothly. The idea of making things happen, or manifestation, is tied to the vibes we give off. Think about it like this. Every feeling, thought, or goal you have sends out a vibe that mixes with the world's energy. When what we think and feel matches up with our goals, they send out a matching vibe. This pulls in similar vibes and makes everything stronger, kind of like how your favorite song sounds better loud. To get what we want in life, it's key to make sure our vibes are high and on point with those desires. Doing stuff like focusing on happy thoughts, being thankful for what you've got, and ditching any downer thoughts helps big time. By getting our vibes right and lining them up with what we're after, we can quickly bring into reality the things we want most. Getting your mind in sync with the unified field is key for making things happen right away. Think of the unified field as this big blanket that covers everything, where all parts are linked and our thoughts have an impact. To get on the same wavelength, it's crucial to see everything as one big whole and ditch any ideas that we're all separate. This means moving away from just thinking about ourselves to considering a bigger picture. By practicing meditation, being mindful, and taking time to think deeply about yourself, you can get closer to this universal connection and tune your mind into instantly bringing what you want into reality. By accepting that everything is connected and making sure your thoughts, feelings, or actions match up with this higher way of thinking, manifesting becomes a realization. A lot of us get caught up in thinking we're all on our own, which stops us from really tapping into the magic of making things happen right away. We tend to believe that there's a gap between us and this huge energy force that keeps everything running. To get past this idea that we're somehow apart from everything else, it's key to see ourselves as part of this big power source. This means dropping the notion that there's a distance between us and it, and instead feeling like we're directly connected. By looking at things differently and seeing ourselves as one with this universal energy, getting what we wish for becomes much simpler. Once you stop believing in being separate, aligning your thoughts with the universe lets you pull your desires into your life without much struggle. To make things happen right away, it's key to do stuff that gets your energy vibing with what you want. For starters, try focusing on your heart area. Imagine all this energy zooming into it when you think about or feel something deeply. This trick helps get your brain and heart working together better, which is great for making things happen. On top of that, getting your thoughts, feelings, and what you really want in life to match up can help a lot too. It's like tuning everything inside you so it sings the same tune as your dreams. That way, you're more likely to attract those good vibes and turn them into reality. By sticking to these steps, closely related manifestation, you'll find yourself able to bring about changes faster than before, basically crafting the life story how you see fit. To wrap it up, getting how powerful manifestation can be when you line up your mind with the big energy field out there is something special. It's about tapping into this thing called the 0-point field and making sure you're vibing at a high level so you can make what you want to happen on purpose and in sync. Keep in mind, to get into this space of endless options, you've got to move past any self-doubt and really live in the now. Jump right into exploring this whole idea of being connected with everything and watch as manifesting becomes part of your everyday life. Start loving every step of discovering more about yourself and linking up with that all-encompassing energy field. If you found this video enlightening, please share it with friends and family who could benefit from its message. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.